Hi, so in this list we have 5 items 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and I'm printing A minus 1. So what is A minus 1? Okay, so normally when we talk about indexing the list, we start from index 0. So index 0 is 10, index 1 is 20, index 2 is 30 and so on. Alright, now what is minus 1? Minus 1 is basically a way for you to index items in the list in the reverse order. So if I print A minus 1, what I will get is 50. Alright, so minus 1 automatically refers to the last item in the list. Okay, so if I take minus 2 for example, then it will be the second last item in the list and so on. Alright, so you can use negative indexing to access items in the list starting from the end. Alright, so if I do positive, I start from 0. If I do negative 1, I start from the end of the list. Alright, so this is one of the nice and cool features of lists in Python, which can be helpful depending on what you're trying to do or how you're trying to access your data. Alright, thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.